Hey guys, this is Zafar for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about things I wish I knew when I was 20 years old. Today, I am recording this video where the timing is 13:14 p.m. 31/12/2020. This time will never come back again. Same is with our lives. There are certain things which I would like to tell you that I must have known when I was 20 years of age, because at that time you are young, you are having energy and time along with you. Money we are looking to buy at that age, 20 years I am talking about. So first of all, I wish I know about financial planning, about financial freedom, about passive income, the stuff which I am currently into. I wish I knew that at the age of 20 my life would be totally different. The next important thing, the second thing I am talking about is a plant-based diet, a plant-based food. The importance of eating, because you are what you eat, think and drink. So I was not aware about this when I was 20 years of age. My life would be have been totally different at that time when I was knowing regarding this. There are other things also which I wish I would know at the age of 20. How to utilize our mind for working, for higher consciousness, to become more aware, to become more mindful. There is a meditation. I was not knowing about the secret of meditation, the importance of meditation in one's life. How to focus, how to concentrate on that particular task and accomplish it, how to chase your dreams, how to be self-motivated. These are the stuff which I was not knowing. I wish I know when I was 20 years of age. If you are watching this video and if you are at your young age, then this is the time to change your vibration, to change your frequency, to raise your vibration, to become more energized, more focused, more smarter, to become greatest version of yourself. So I encourage you, if you are young, then don't spend your time and energy wasting, but you utilize it to become your greatest version and to achieve something in your life. Have goals. Goals in life are like wheels on trains. I repeat, goals in life are like that of wheels on train. So if you want to get smoothly and moving fast, then you need to have wheels. And similarly, when you want to achieve something in life, you need to have goals. Goals might be a long term, short term, mid term, any short goal also is important in your life, and we need to make every effort from our end to accomplish it. This is very much crucial. So these are some of the stuff which I was not knowing when I wish I was at 20. When you are young, your energy levels is high, your testosterone levels are high, your cortisol level is down, you are full of energy, full of vitality, full of vigor. That's the time you can change the world. That's the time you can make a difference. But once you pass certain age, then it will be very much difficult for you, because there are different responsibilities which are allotted to you into your life and you need to take care of it. So this other stuff will be replaced by certain other things. So make correct use of time and energy when you are very much young. This is the time. Wake up now. Do something amazing, create something amazing, produce something every day, so that your future generation will thank you for. Just I am producing these videos every day. I don't worry about my followers, subscribers, any damn thing, but I worry about my content, about the stuff I am putting each and every day. That's what helps me to remain on my path and to motivate others. So I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace. You know what? I don't have any support from any of the family members. I don't have any support from the friends. But still, I am doing this. Why? Because it is my passion. I love to create videos, to motivate, to inspire others, not to give up on your dreams. That's the reason I am making this video. I don't want anything. I am not bothered about money also, but I am bothered about my content, my message that I am sharing each and every day. Any support, nothing is there from my end. Even I am uploading the videos from the Jio Wi-Fi, from the Jio net, not a Wi-Fi connection. It is a mobile connection which I am using for uploading the videos. Because I believe in myself that I can do it, I can accomplish certain things. I can make a difference in anyone's life. So that's the reason I am doing my work each and every day. I am getting better at better. I am making inspiring content. I am sharing the stuff. I was also bullied. I was also tortured. There are negative side also of me. Just as every coin has two of its sides, the positive and negative. All the people always talk about the positive, but they forget about negative. But your pain is your purpose. You don't need to forget that negative side. But remember that negative side and try to implement something which helps to overcome that. Your purpose comes from your pain. So I was tortured, I was bullied, I was ignored. But still, I continue to believe in myself. Still, I believe that I will make my parents proud. Still, I believe that I will make our society that I am one identity. I am one person who is believing in himself to accomplish his dreams, to reach the goals, who is his own role model, who is capable to do anything, who is capable to achieve so much in this life. Though I have not realized certain things in my early 20s, I already mentioned, but age is just a number. Right now, whatever age I am, but I know the stuff, the financial freedom that I am talking about, the plant-based diet. You must eat to live, not to die. You are what you eat, think and drink. So these three things, eat, think and drink, what it is mindfulness. You must be aware what you are taking inside your body, whether it is in a form of food or any other thing, a drink or something. You must be aware what is helpful for you, for your soul, for your mind, for your spirit, for your body. That's what life is about. Life is very short. Then why to waste onto unnecessary things such as junk food, beer, wine, etc. But focus on that will help your body to live longer, to be energized, to reach the fullest potential, to have sharp mind, to have sharp memory, to have sharp focus. Live life as if today is your last day. Make every day count. Do this stuff every day. Ask yourself what I am giving to my body. Am I giving ourselves to live or to die? Am I giving necessary nutrients, enzymes, etc.? So this was the other stuff which I need to share. I hope you are enjoying.